It's a 2014 Chrysler 300. It's exceptional in every way, from its aggressive exterior to its soft, luxurious interior. This 300 sets the standard for stunning. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, remote engine start, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Brad Deery Auto Discount Center. Stop in and see us today at 112 North 2nd Street in Maquoketa, Iowa, just 1 mile east of Highway 61 on Highway 64.